Hi, this is Don Cowboy Biker Adventures. Today I have for you Valley Vista Encore RV Park or Resort. It's part of the Trails collection from 1,000 Trails, and it's also a RPI park, which is how I stayed here. This is drone footage of that park. I also put out a video of the park if you want to see all the sights and amenities, and it's only 22 miles from historic Tombstone. I think you're going to like it. It's located in the high desert in beautiful southeastern Arizona. It's a convenient location near historical towns, museums, botanical gardens, and national parks. It is open year-round. It does have a clubhouse, an outdoor pool, and a hot tub. It also has desert hiking, and there's even nearby golf courses. So now it's time to listen to the music. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see adventure videos at least once a week and shorts on weekends, be sure to subscribe. Remember, my name indicates that it's about motorcycles, but it really is not. It's about scenery. So until next time, have a good one.